Welcome to PixaFOTO.com Media. Presenting, new, portrait, Photoshop effect, Capture One, styles. Don't have Adobe Photoshop? With the power of our new, Photoshop effect, Capture One styles, you can create stunning portraits, with just one click. To deliver the ultimate quality, all our filters are based on sophisticated research and hard practice. That's why our presets inspire thousands of photographers around the world. Adjusting to the right tone, light, and mood is a tedious editing process. With our presets, we take the guesswork out to give you back your most valuable asset, your time. These filters are designed with a touch of perfection in mind. They're perfect for creating distinctive pictures that will stand the test of time. This exclusive set is a one-click solution for everyone who wants to hide some skin imperfections. It's super easy to work with our Photoshop effects. Just one click, and you're done. These portrait presets showcase our retouching processing techniques, combined with the expertise to create realistic color and tone. Do not miss the chance to get new Photoshop effect, harmony, Capture One, style, collection.